back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to do my next haul, Torani syrup, to make delicious Torani syrup recipes. And today, let's start off from this to this end. The first bottle I have here is Shortbread, and this is going to make some delicious drinks, some delicious flavors. Bring the flavors out of Shortbread. I mean, like, I think we're going to be making like peach cobbler martinis and stuff like that. And I know you're like, ooh, because I know that's how it was when I was like, oh my gosh, you guys have a Shortbread syrup? Let's see what I can do with that. The next one is a classic, and I absolutely love the way that it tastes in ice cream. So I present to you vanilla bean. Oh my, yes, I love vanilla bean. The reason why is because of the fact that when you bring vanilla out, which is already delicious, but you bring it with that bean flavor, it's like, mwah, you know, it's just over the top. So, the next one is passion fruit. Now, you can't have a good Mai Tai and like some other type of drinks like that without passion fruit. And this is actually a pure-made syrup. I really don't know the difference between a regular Torani syrup and a pure-made syrup, but I know there's something. And so, because I am going to do the channel, if I can taste the difference, I will definitely let you all know. The next ingredient, or the next Torani syrup that I purchased, is white peach. And once again, this is pre-made. So honestly, like I said before, to make the peach cobbler, here we go. I know it's going to be two of these type of syrups inside of it. The next two definitely go together. We have Torani sugar-free coconut and Torani pineapple. I know that's at the end. But to make like a, I can't even think of it. I want to say daiquiri, but that's not it. But to make a pina colada, this is what you would use here. And last but not least, and on an upcoming show, we are going to make cupcake. I've heard that there are some amazing cupcake shots. I cannot wait to get into those type of videos. So this is the Torani haul that I have. Let me know what type of Torani syrups you have down in the comments. And please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching another great video from Before 5. Have a wonderful day.